Deputies are responding to the report of a disturbance involving a knife under a freeway overpass. A fence separates the deputies from the scene. A witness approaches and explains that his friend's been stabbed. He identifies the attacker, who was still present at the scene. The suspect throws his knife over the fence and onto the freeway. After retrieving the weapon, the deputies climb over the fence. They detain the suspect without incident and begin performing first aid on the victim. The victim has been stabbed in the chest and is showing signs of a punctured lung. Several of the deputies on scene have extensive combat medical training.
I need a chest seal.
Working together, the deputies quickly apply a chest seal and pressure bandage to the wound. They follow up by wrapping the victim in a space blanket to help mitigate hypothermia and shock from loss of blood. AMR and Clackamas fire paramedics also arrive. They immediately transport the victim by ambulance to an area hospital for treatment. These deputies put their training to work, de-escalating a violent situation and likely saving a victim's life.